Hello, welcome back to the world of YouTubers, and you're watching me, Ragesh, the frequency analyzer. This is part 2 of Kedarnath trek, Krishnan, Manu and me. If you have not seen the part 1, please check the iCard on the top. Hope you can see it above. In the previous part, I stopped at a tea shop, then I was alone. I decided to walk slow. A foolish thing that I did was, I rested more than 10 minutes every time I stopped to breathe. One thing you keep in mind, stay for 5 minutes, not more than that. If you're going to stay for breathing for more than 5 minutes, your body goes to a fatigue condition and becomes more tired. You walk slowly, take breaks, not more than 5 minutes. Drink lots of water, urinate and repeat. From mistakes we learn everything. After a few minutes or hours from where I stopped, I reached here at Rambara. We usually call it Rambara, but in Hindi it is Rambada. You can see the torrential rainfall of 2013 had taken a huge portion of the walkway and mountain sides. I stayed here to enjoy the place. I know that the visuals are a bit blurry and the camera on my forehead was not proper, or it was slightly leaned towards left. I was not in a situation to check it on my phone whether the video was looking good or not.
Wonderful, wonderful. Oh,
Physically, I was in a bad condition. Mentally, I was gone. If you know Malayalam, check the iCard above. I'm explaining everything on my phone vlogs, which is in Malayalam and in portrait mode. Less quality, no scenic beauty. These shed kind of houses are heaven for the ones who climb towards Kedar. A good protection. The rain was pouring heavily. The wind was so cold. I was wet, but only some invisible spirits made me walk up to Kedar. I was tired, really tired.
yes. Video started recording.
I was taking video while the fog was approaching us. This climb here was very tough. When I started filming, one guy came and started asking questions. Then I stopped recording video.
ब्लॉगिंग कर रहे हो क्या फिर आप?
हाँ जी
ब्लॉगिंग
आइए record तेरा
Now I'm stopping my narration. Please watch the full video with the music and original sounds. Thank you for watching my video, and I will appreciate if you follow me, if you subscribe to my channel, and keep on commenting, liking and sharing to other people. Thanks. Bye bye.
sorry 3-4 kilometers more. Please, please, please. Don't hit me. ചാണകം ഫുള്ള് ചാണകം. It's cow dung. No, it's horse dung.
तो पैसे दे देते यार, थोड़ी ना पड़े यार, कसम से पट्टी थोड़ी ना भाई घोड़ा 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 सस्ता जाएगा घोड़ा। यूट्यूब चैनल है भैया। मंदिर का पास
Don't take up there.
Camera changed. Climate changed. Heavy rain is coming. I haven't reached my destination. Here is a light. Can be seen while it's getting dark. I don't know how good SJ am capturing this. I am tired, really. Then, the hills we left behind covered in fog, darkness coming to cover them because the time is 6 in the evening. I have taken a few clips, hope you saw those a few minutes before. Then, here as you can see, becoming dark, rain is also coming. Rain or fog, I don't know. I have 2 or 3 kilometers more to go. But breathing is a huge problem, quite natural, because it's too high here. I will meet you tomorrow from Kedarnath.